Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Olive's Academy. So in this video we will be doing level 1 examination of January 2022 financial accounting of AAT Sri Lanka. So we have already completed section A and today we will be moving to section B. So the section B have total of 40 marks, so this is very easy and easy to take all of these marks if you go through the theory and the questions, and if you do well in the questions, then it's very easy for you to just get these 40 marks in your hand. So just without wasting more time, we will jump into the question. So firstly we will do question number 2, which says that Sam started a sole proprietorship business, which called Sam Traders, by investing 3 million rupees in cash on 1st April 2020. Summary of cash control account or cash book for the year ended 31st March 2021 is as follows. So here you can see the cash control account is given for you. So I hope you know about the cash control account. If not, I have given the link on the description that you can watch my video. A very short explanation is given for only those students who are doing this similar questions like this. So just go to the link and watch the video and do the question after that. Right, so you have been given the cash control account or the cash book. So there you can find the initial capital investment, which is shown here as 3 million, is 3 million cash sales and receipts from trade debtors, and payment to trade creditors, cash purchases, petty cash, electricity, salaries and wages, office rent, purchase of a motor vehicle acquired on 1st April 2020. So the balance carried forward also have been shown to you, and total of this control account is 8.6 million, or we can say 8,600,000, and balance carried forward is 2,600,000. So go to the next page, the 5th page. You can see the requirement. They have given you some additional information to do this question. This is the clue for you to find certain things or calculate certain things for the questions. We call it adjustments. So firstly, they have given you the receivables and payables balances as at 31st March 2021 were as follows. The trade debtors are 750,000 rupees and trade creditors are 440,000 rupees, and accrued electricity is 6,500 rupees. Secondly, the motor vehicles are depreciated at the rate of 25% per annum at cost on straight line basis. So it's very simple. So they are telling you clearly that it's straight line basis. So thirdly, they have given you petty cash transactions. Why are they giving you petty cash transactions? Let's see that when we do the question. And now we'll see the petty cash control account says that it has printing and stationery expense. It has paid for printing and stationery expense 4,500 rupees and traveling 8,000, office maintenance and 6,500. Now finally you are required to prepare the trial balance of Sam Traders as at 31st March 2021. So to do this question, firstly let me explain you that let me tell you that you should be thorough in chapter 3 of the syllabus, where it says about where you can learn about trial balance and books of prime entries and control accounts. So in order to recall that very shortly, I have given, as I said before, I have given you the link in the description that you can click and watch the video. Before doing that, please, before doing this question, please share my channel, share my videos and channel, and please subscribe my channel, and this will motivate me in doing more videos in the future. Right, let us jump into the workings. Right guys, for your easy reference and to do the questions without shifting from here to there, I have wrote the screenshot. I have taken the screenshot of the requirement or the details or the tables that or we can say that it's a question. I have taken the question to the Excel file, so it's easy for you to understand very easily. So let's do the question. Firstly, you have this is a question. This shows the whole thing. So this is the screenshot of that, and here these are the workings. So we can say this is a trial balance. So I have created already for you. So here firstly you have to make the trial balance sum and trade list. So you have to put the company name first of all. So after putting the company name, you put trial balance as at 31st March 2021. So this is the first thing that you have to put when you are make the trial balance. Then you can make your notes. So you can, in this notes you can say workings if there are any workings. You can say other. You can say working number. Or you can say notes. Or you can say workings. Right. Okay. Now we'll do everything in thousands. Everything will be in thousands. So the first ledger is the capital. Here you can come from here, from left side and right side. From left side to right side you can come. So the first thing is the capital. Capital is how much? It's very straightforward. It's 3 million. 3 million. It's a, what is this? Capital is the which side? Credit or debit? It's a credit side. 3,000. Why it is 3,000? Because we are writing this in thousands, so it is 3,000. So you should not consider the last 3 zeros of this. And the second one is the sales. Sales is something you have to look at it. And third one is receipts from trade debtors. So we can say trade receivables. There is no order for this, guys. There is no order for this. You can write it in any way or any order that you need, right? Then payments to creditors come to the right side. You can see payment to creditors, so we can put it trade payables or trade creditors, trade payables. And after that, when cash purchases, then you have to put purchases, total purchases. Okay, purchases on, and electricity, and the next one, salaries and wages. The next one, office rent. Next one, purchase of motor vehicle, or we can say motor vehicle. And we can say finally balance carried forward is cash account. So how much cash available at the year end. The next one we can say trade debtors. We have include trade receivables, trade creditors, or we can say trade debtors, because in question you have they have given like that, trade creditors. Okay, so now we have to put accrued electricity. That is one account. Accrued electricity. And you can see here petty cash. I didn't put petty cash 25,000 because why? If you go to the third point of this question, that the petty cash control account, they have given you the breakdown of the petty cash transactions, which means the printing and stationery. Here you can see 25,000 is the petty cash. So the breakdown total is 25,000. So they have given you in detail. You can't put just petty cash here and just finish the case, but since they have given you, you have to use this table or these accounts to your trial balance. So what are the breakdown accounts? And printing and stationery, and traveling expense and office maintenance. Traveling, office maintenance, and balance petty cash. Petty cash balance is 6,000. So after doing all of these things, now you will have a doubt what else to put. Now we have to see in the first point we have put everything. Trade debtors, their creditors are there, accrued electricity is there. Second, they are talking about depreciation, so put the depreciation expenses. And what is the other account for depreciation? Accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation. This is all that you have to put firstly. After doing all of these things, this is the second one we have to consider. Now let's continue with the question. So sales, we have put the capital 3 million, and sales, so I have put asterisk marks. So we will mark sale as working one, and trade debtors. What trade creditors we will see later. So first we will calculate sales working one. So now you know that the cash sales, you have to find the total sales. So cash sales, we know it's 2 million. Right? Now we have to find the credit sales. So total sales mean it's cash sales and credit sales. So credit sales, how to find the credit sales? To find the credit sales, you have to take the receipts from trade debtors. So receipt from trade debtors. Why do we take receipts from trade debtors? Trade debtors mean they are the customers bought goods from us on credit. That's why we record those transactions in the trade debtors. What is the double entry for that? The first, you have to debit the trade debtors and credit the sales. So if it is cash sales, so you have to debit the cash and credit the sales. So since for this first year of the business commencement, the receipts from the trade debtors, that means the credit customers have paid 3.6 million. So that is 3,600, right? 3,600 plus they have given you under the additional information the trade debtors balance is 750,000. So 750,000. So what is the total? 6,350. So without that, I'll use an alternative way to do this. Credit sales total is 3,600 plus 750. So total 4,350. So total of sales is 6,350. 6,350. Right, so sales, it's a credit, sales is an income, so it's a credit, so 6,350. Now trade debtors, very simple, you can take it from this. Trade debtors closing balance is 750. It is debit balance. And trade creditors 440. So same, like, no, this is how you have to do the purchases also. So we know that anyways we have to put the closing balance of trade creditor, so you put 440 here. Now when it comes to purchases, we do workings too in this case. So when it comes to purchase, we do as working number 2, we say similar treatment as that, how we calculated the total sales. So the total purchases will be, we have cash purchase and credit purchase. So this is the first thing that you have to put when doing this kind of question. So what is the cash purchase here? 900,000. So 900,000, we are doing all in thousands, so 900. So credit purchase is, since for the customer we took receipts from the trade debtors. Now for credit purchases payments to trade creditors, so we have to take that amount 2,200 plus what is the closing balance of trade creditors is 440. So take the total, 3,540 is the total purchases. So total purchase 3,540, right? So now electricity. When it comes to electricity, same. We can say electricity is like, so we'll mark it as this, mark it as star, and we will do working number 3 if you want. No need working actually, but we will just for understanding purpose we will do as working 3. Okay, so working 3 says normal electricity expense is 25,000 plus 6,500 to electricity. Accrued electricity is 6.5. So the total will be 31.5. So electricity expense is 31.5. 31.5. Now salaries and wages is the same amount, just put 1,000, it's same as here. Or then office rent is 350, and motor vehicle, now comes the problem, right? So motor vehicle will be 1,500. So cash available 2,600. Now accrued electricity 6,500. 6,500. Now we'll come to the petty cash expenses. Printing and stationery 4,500, and traveling expense 8,000, and office maintenance 6.5, and petty cash balance is 6. So we have calculated everything, right? So next, depreciation expense. This is the final thing that we have to calculate. The depreciation is 20. Motor vehicles are depreciated at the rate of 25% per annum at cost on the straight line basis. What is the working for this? It's very simple, no need a working. But since we are doing it for the first time, we will do some workings for understanding. Working number 4. So working number 4 says depreciation cost is 1.5 million and rate, depreciation rate at 25%. How much? 375,000 is the annual depreciation. We can call it 375. We can write it as 375. Accumulated depreciation is credit, so it's 375. What else is remaining? Let's total it, right? So let's total this. The total would be for this is 10,178, and for the same 10,165. Why? There is a difference of 13. Okay, so why this 13 difference is coming? So there your credit and debit is not tallying. It should be equal, right? But here it's not equal, because the reason that the accrued electricity should be a credit. Just you have to come from the first. Capital is credit, sales is credit, trade debtors is debit, trade credit is. So after that to come all of the salaries and wages expense debit, all are debit. No? This all should come under debit, but accrued is a liability. Accrued means a liability, so we have mistakenly put it as put it in the debit column, but we should put it in the credit column. Now the total all the balances, I mean the both columns, debit and credit balances, are correct, so it's equal, so your workings are done. So this is your answer for this question. Then you get 10 marks for this question. Okay. Right. So what was the mistake that we did in this question? So accrued electricity, we have put it in the debit column, but actually accrual means it's a liability, so it should come under credit column. After making that adjustment, we have got the credit total and the debit total as same amount. So you can see the workings and you can do it once again. If you have any question in this, you can ask me, you can comment it below and ask me, or you can contact us through the phone number that we have given you. You can WhatsApp us and you can join our classes also. And yes, this is all that I want to tell from this. So hope you understand what I have shown you in this video. So we will do next question in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this, and I want you to subscribe my channel and like and share. Please do that for me, so it will be a very big motivation for me to do this for us actually. So for us to continue uploading new videos on past papers and theories of accounting, business, economics and everything. So thank you very much again for all who are watching this video. And if you require any specific topics to be covered here, please comment on the below videos, or you can directly contact us. So you can message us in WhatsApp, so that we will take your requirements seriously and we will do the video accordingly. Thank you very much. This is the final answer for the question. So let's meet in the next video.